Thanks for having me, Chair Baker, Vice Chair Chang, other senators. So just so you can understand the impact that this is having, I'll give you a little background. I'm the owner of Android Hawaii Cell Phone Repair. We've been in business here in Honolulu for 11 years. I'm self-taught. We also run a data recovery, which basically if you lose any of your pictures or videos, we can recover that. There's one other shop that does it in support of an island of 1 million. I'm also the founder of Phonlab Smartphone Tech courses. We've trained over 5,000 people. We started up at HTDC here in Honolulu. And Mr. Lim brought up a beautiful point, which was all the problems that you're seeing in this bill have to do with the manufacturer. We're the ones, the people like myself and the students that we've trained that are fixing these problems. So they're coming directly from the OEM. So let me frame this up for you, how it happened. So last year, the Apple sends out an update and it slowed down everybody's iPhone. So what ended up happening was there was a surge in battery repairs. Now Apple caught on to this because all of a sudden their repairs spiked and they saw the revenue. This is a $3 billion a year industry in America, and this is a hot button issue. And now Apple wants to make money from it. So what do? Okay, we're going to make, selling parts to independent repair shops illegal. That's what we want to do. They want to shut us down. Now, I'm already having trouble getting batteries from the OEM right now. With the recent FAA restrictions in place, it makes it even more difficult. So don't kid yourselves about what this is about. This is entirely about money. It has nothing to do with your security, because I investigate. I also do a security research for, on Apple and on Android on the side. And I've found a lot of holes in what they're doing. But I can remember, I'll close it like this. So I can remember about 12 years ago, 13 years ago, when I was reading on the forums and I was learning about repair. And my daughter, I'm probably the only person in the world that can feed a baby a bottle and fix your phone at the same time. I asked my daughter this morning, I said, what should I say to the senators about other people, other companies trying to take daddy's job away? And she told me one thing. She said, tell them to vote in favor of the bill. She's a smart little 8-year-old. Her name is Kayla. So what I hope is that you guys have the apple of daddy's eye. No pun intended. So do you have any questions?
Thank you.
Thank you.
We would ask you that you reduce your testimony in writing and provide it so we can have it for the record.
Will do. Thank you.